What's the meaning of crestfallen? Crestfallen. Crestfallen.
Crestfallen. Crestfallen. Crestfallen is an adjective that describes an individual who feels extremely disappointed, sad, and defeated due to a failed expectation or setback. When someone is crestfallen, they may seem deflated, with slumped shoulders and a downcast expression. The result of feeling crestfallen can be a sense of hopelessness, despair, and loss of confidence. This feeling can affect one's overall mood and behavior, leading to a lack of motivation or interest in activities they once enjoyed. Overcoming crestfallen feelings may require positive self-talk, seeking support from loved ones, and focusing on the future.